Hello friends.
Hi.
So today I went to SM Lucena and bought a blind box from Miniso. Wait, let me show. Yep. So yeah. Anyways, let's open it up. And we have this Toy Story Sit Nicely blind box. And here on the side, there's the chart. We got Bo Peep, Woody, Jessie, Alien, Lotso, Bunny and Ducky, Zurg, Buzz Lightyear, and the secret one. The secret is the Buzz Lightyear was a gray suit. So, let's open it up, shall we? I'm so excited. I've never did these videos before. It's my first time opening up a blind box. Inside, we have a blind box. We have a blind bag. Pausing magic. So anyways, let's cut this guy open. And we got Zurg.
Is that the mystery one?
No, but it is a good one. It's so heavy, but not too heavy. Anyways,
Can you show it at the back of the box?
Here it is on the box. It's over here. But sadly, it's not the secret one. Bye, guys.
Bye.